In today's review, we're diving into SmartBotCoin, a cryptocurrency trading bot designed to automate the trading process. First impressions. The website is clean and professional, making it easy to navigate. Once you sign up, you'll gain access to the main dashboard where you can start setting up your bot for automated trading. There's a lot of customization available, so you can tailor the bot strategies according to your preferences. SmartBotCoin offers various trading strategies, from conservative to aggressive approaches, depending on your risk tolerance. You can choose strategies that align with your trading goals, whether you're looking for long-term growth or quick profits. The bot also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to diversify your trading portfolio. Setting up SmartBotCoin is relatively easy, with clear instructions and helpful guides. Once you connect your exchange account, like Binance or Coinbase, the bot can start trading automatically. You can monitor your performance directly from the dashboard and adjust settings as needed. The bot uses real-time market data, ensuring that it can make informed decisions based on current trends. One of the key features of SmartBotCoin is its ability to integrate with multiple exchanges, giving you flexibility in choosing where you trade. Additionally, the platform offers various levels of customer support, including chat and email, which is great for troubleshooting any issues you might face. Many useful links can be found in the description, including detailed guides and more information on how to maximize your profits using the SmartBotCoin platform. As for performance, the bot's algorithms have generally performed well, executing trades quickly and efficiently. However, like any trading bot, results can vary based on market conditions, so it's important to keep realistic expectations. The support team has also been responsive in addressing any questions I had along the way. In conclusion, SmartBotCoin is a solid choice for anyone looking to automate their cryptocurrency trading. It's easy to use, customizable, and supports a variety of exchanges. While no bot can guarantee profits, SmartBotCoin offers a well-rounded and user-friendly experience for both beginner and experienced traders. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.